What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm working on the PANGERE Corporation trucks, which kind of brings back some memories. I used to do the PANGERE Corporation trucks at the Bad Orange place on the hill back in the day.
Emotional, damn it!
Today, I'm going to be doing another one of them trucks here over at Simcoe Signs, located in Valparaiso, Indiana. And if you guys need any signs, stickers, channel lettering, vehicle wraps for your business, you better call. All right, now that I got the vinyl weeded out, it's Saturday. I'm here by myself, and I need to get that sheet and that sheet taped off by myself. Okay, I got the vinyl separated the way it's supposed to go on the truck. Now let's get the truck in here. Let's go get the truck prepped. Signs everywhere.
Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe.
Live it up.
2 3/4 from the blue. This one's going to be a little bit different too. Needs to come down maybe a 1/16. The other side needs to go up. Let's go up with the other side. Now we want to step back. Don't mind the lights hanging. Had to move it out of the way from another truck coming in. That looks pretty good. Now this one, we want to measure from the drip edge. About 1.5 inches. About 1.5 inches. Beautiful. Go to the other side, and then once we get all this measured out, we'll get it taped off. Need to come down with this one. Oh, see a piece I didn't pull out. That's what she said. And we'll come back and touch this up and get all that laid in there nice. Gonna need extra magnet. Oh, that's not what you want. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to leave the tape there and be able to have a lineup point don't have the tape on there, if you're actually doing vinyl, what you do, or what I would do, is just try to do the best you can. Make sure everything looks pretty much straight. We didn't want that to happen. Now, just to make sure that that crease is not going to stay there or those bubbles are underneath the vinyl, we'll go ahead and peel this now a little bit. Nope, we're good. Alright, let's do the other side. There we go. Go ahead and line this up to our tape mark. Oh, now that crease mark is in the vinyl. But nothing to worry about. I'll be able to get that out. Never there. this right here. No, we're getting rid of this because look, I got an extra whole nother set. Got the G right there. And if we want to fill in the dash right here a little bit more, I definitely have that as well.
And there you have it, guys. Another truck done. This one turned out great. Join me for the next one where I work on this food truck trailer and almost lose my mind.